In this Artistly AI Honest Review video, I'll be walking you through a powerful AI tool that allows you to produce stunning visuals, logo, art, and more by just entering keyword. Some features that stood out to me: unlimited design with one-time price, no monthly fee; mirror magic, which can redesign existing image into fresh new ones; instant background editing and smart image expansion. Commercial licenses include use your creation without hidden cost. You'll find the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Without taking much of your time, I'll log into Artistly so that you see what Artistly is all about. This is the dashboard, and here it says create a design. So we have Fast AI Image Designer and Advanced AI Image Designer. So I'll click on Fast AI Image Designer, and as you can see, AI Image Designer version 6, create from prompt, which you can create things from prompt; Image Designer, perfect text in Image Designer. You can get all these animals, logo, t-shirt, social media post, all this here. And then when you click on AI Design Agent, you get clip art, coloring page, t-shirt design, YouTube thumbnail, consistent character story book, multi-character storybook, script to storybook. And once you click here too, you get AI Storybook Studio here, which you can use it to create storybooks. AI Design Assistant, you can create portrait and all. They have different, like artists, we have all kinds. And here too is consistent character. You can get realistic image, 3D and 2D image. And these are some of the work that I've done here. My own designs, as you can see, that's the coloring page. And here too, these are all that I have here, as you can see. And I'll be showing you guys how this is done, okay, which you can see the prompt here that I use. It says a girl sit perfectly at the base of magnificent, glowing, feeling profound in sense of calm and wonder, as you can see here. So that's the prompt for all these images here. And here too, flipbook. I've done some flipbook here, which Artistly does it. So these are some of the books that I've created. And when you click read, after you create it, it will just go ahead, and once I click play,
Asher was a very curious boy, always wondering about the big wide world and his special place in it. One sunny morning, Asher looked closely at his own hands, noticing the tiny lines and swirls on his fingertips. He peered into a shiny spoon, seeing his reflection, and silently asked, "Who am I, really?" With a little ink pad, Asher gently pressed his thumb and discovered a unique pattern, his very own fingerprint. He learned that no two fingerprints in the whole world are exactly alike, not even for twins. This made Asher feel wonderfully special, knowing his fingerprint was a one of a kind mark. He began to imagine his unique.
and as you can see, it's 41 pages. The storybook has 41 pages, so I'll go ahead and then create, show you how it's done. First of all, I'll do a coloring page. So I come here, AI design agent, I click on it, then I click on coloring page. Here, you can get prompts either from ChatGPT, you can create your own, or we have one tool here that you can use. So these are some of the prompts that I've created with ChatGPT. I haven't used it yet, so I'll use it for us to see the outcome of it for a coloring page. So I'll copy one of them. Retyping is kind of hard and it will take time. So I copy and I paste it here. And always the ratio, I do 3 by 4. And how many images? You can get up to 10, but I'll do 4 for now and click on create. Okay, that's the current. See, all this here. I did 4. So these ones here, you can make a book out of it, and the kids can use it. Let's say you're having a party or you're running a daycare or you just want to have fun with your kids or keep them busy, you can create coloring pages for them to color it. I'll do another one. As you can see, I click on AI design agent again, coloring. Then I'll come here too. These are some of the prompts here created with ChatGPT. So I'll use this one here. I'll copy, go back to let me do this on AI Art Illustrator. Then I click on coloring page. Okay, it says enter the prompt. So I'll place it here. Then I'll do 3, 4. Select me 4 images. And as you can see, it's creating some. Okay, these are the prompts that I use. So you can see all this here. And in case you want us to do something else, I can just go ahead and pick another project and work on it for us to see how it works. So this is the honest review. I've done so many storybooks and things with Artistly. So far, I love it. It works for me, and one thing that my kids love is putting their names in a story. They just love it. Just for them to see their names or to hear their names in the story that I create for them with ChatGPT, just like this one here.
In the sunny village of Brightland lived two black brothers, Joshua and Kofi. Joshua, 8, loved science books, and Kofi, 4, was great at puzzles. Everyone called them the Smart Brothers. Every day, Joshua and Kofi would build cool gadgets from old toys and wires. They even made a talking scarecrow once. One peaceful afternoon, dark clouds rolled over Brightland.
So as you can see, this one too is 31 pages. And now let's go and I'll show you how you can get t-shirt created too. How to create t-shirt with Artistly. That one too, you go to design image. t-shirts, and you select your category, which they have faith-based, funny, feminist, or Rotary, Kids, Fitness, others. So let's say, let me do funny, and let me create. You can create up to 10, but let me just do two. And here, let's say funny for a dad, or let me put dad here, and click on create. See, it makes it easy in case you have a store on FC, or you sell t-shirts on Amazon. And I forgot to tell you one thing too. You can use all the current pages and the storybooks. You can put it on Amazon KDP. So these are the t-shirts. See, it says Grey Master. That is just funny. Cool Dad Club. Okay. In case you want me to do something for mom too, I can just go ahead again here and create a t-shirt for mom. And I can do faith based or however, but let me do one for mom, because some people say, why didn't you do one for mom? So I'll just go ahead and do one for mom. That one to click on it. So let me do feminist. Let me try this one here. So let me do one for mom. Let's see what we can get. It's creating it now. This is being processed. So what it does is it goes online and search for all the ones that people are buying, and it will use that to create a design for you, so that you can, in case you want to do a t-shirt and sell online, like Printful and Printify. See, Mama is Magic, Rising, you know, Do Red, Human, Feminist Club. See, it says all this here, you can create as many as you want. So as you see, there's so many things that you can do with Artistly. And for the moment, in case you want to purchase or you want to check it out, I'll have the link below. And if they have this here, says use this coupon, which is a secret 10 for 10% off. And when I scroll down here on the page, sales page, they have two prices, commercial and premium. The one that I'm using is premium, because the commercial one, it got all this here, which some of them is not unlimited, if I'm not mistaken. But the premium, you get everything inside commercial plus more. So all the features. There are some features that you get in premium that you will not get in commercial, and the prices premium. Commercial is 49, premium is 147, and if you put in the discount, you get 10% off. Thanks for watching. This is my honest review for Artistly AI.